Hey Barksiders, welcome back. I'm Liza. You may remember me from previous titles such as Welcome to the Barkside and absolutely nothing else. This is my sidekick Appa, and today we'll be tackling nail trims. So, why is it important to keep your dog's nails trimmed? Long toenails mean painful feet. When a dog's toenails contact hard ground, the surface pushes the nail back up to the nail bed, either putting pressure on all the toe joints or forcing the toe to twist into the side. Dogs also rely on information from nerves in their feet, and they have an evolutionary postural response to long nails that over the long term causes muscles and joints to be overused, especially in the hind limbs, making it difficult for them to jump, climb, or even get up as they get older. All this to say, even if you're feeling unsure of your clipping skills, your dog needs your help. All dogs' nails grow at different rates. Puppies, for example, will grow quicker, but as a general rule, you'll want to trim your dog's nails every 2 to 3 weeks, or every week for puppies or dogs with fast growing nails. Many people are nervous about clipping their dog's nails because of the chance of cutting the quick. It does happen sometimes, especially if their nails have grown long and the quick has had a chance to grow out. But I feel confident that with some information and the right mindset, you'll be able to keep your fur kid's nails trimmed enough for them to be comfortable until their next groom. Maybe you'll even trim them from now on. So let's get into it. I can't stress this enough. Even if it's not fun for you, always try to make nail trimming fun for your dog by offering treats, praise, and your calm and undivided attention. First, there are a few types of nail clippers out there, as well as grinders, which I won't cover today, but I prefer to use the plier type over the years, and here's why. They are easy to use and they provide the most control. Plus, you can get the size you need depending on the size of your dog. They are stronger than scissors, which I prefer to use for cats, and unlike the guillotine type, you can see what you're doing better as you don't have to put the nail of a squirming dog through a tiny hole. And yes, your dog will most likely squirm or move away or possibly even shriek. As a rule, they don't want their nails clipped until they're used to it. Many have a flair for the dramatic, especially in front of you, their fur parent, so be prepared. Second, it would be best to have two people for this, one to calm, hold, and treat your pup, and one to do the actual clipping. You'll want to be in a well lit room or outside during the day. For small to medium dogs, put them up on a sturdy table, preferably putting something down to provide a non slip surface, such as a non slip rug, anti fatigue mat, bathroom mat, drawer liner, or whatever you can come up with. This is to help your dog feel more comfortable. For larger dogs without a grooming table, it's best for them to be on carpeted area or grass or patio outside. Again, non slip surface so they feel safer. Third, some dogs have white nails and some have black nails, or a mix of the two, and some have white nails with black inside. We'll treat these as black nails. Black nails can be more challenging as you can't see the quick, but we'll show you how to do both. Last but not least, I have many fur parents tell me that their dogs absolutely hate having their nails trimmed when they try it at home, but they are perfectly fine for me. Yes, it's partly because your mom or dad or some other family member, and they will try to get out of it with you. But mostly it's because they can sense your uncertainty and your fear of hurting them. So, of course, they avoid letting you hold their paws, let alone do their nails. Coming into this with a calm and confident demeanor, knowing that you can do this and that you'll go slowly and work at this together with your dog will go a long way. If you dread it, they will too. So fake it until you make it. If your dog loses patience quickly, you can always just try cutting one nail a day. For white nails, you can see the quick, so clip just in front of it. Go one nail at a time from one side of the paw to the other before moving on to the next paw. And don't forget the dew claws if your dog has them. Starting with the hind legs, gently but with confidence, slide your hand from the shoulder or hip down to just above the foot and lift the foot up and back. Most dogs do better when they can't see what's going on, but try to go with whatever your dog tolerates best. Gently hold the paw just tight enough to keep them from pulling away, and use your thumb and index finger to separate each toe so that the nail stands out as you clip it. Don't squeeze the toes too hard though, that hurts. Make sure to talk to your dog in a calm voice. Give lots of praise and have your helper treat them after each paw is done, or even each nail if that's what you need to do. For black nails, technique and approach will be the same, but because you can't see the quick, you're going to take off a little bit at a time. The center of the nail will start out looking whiter and will gradually show a dark spot in the center as you clip closer to the quick. Once you see the black in the center, stop there. Okay, Reed. If you do clip the quick, it happens especially when nails are overgrown. It's okay. Remember, nobody ever died of a quick toenail. It will hurt and you will feel terrible, but now is not the time to fall apart. Keep calm. Don't make it a big deal. And turn it into a more positive experience by offering a yummy treat as soon as it happens. This will lessen the likelihood of your dog being more afraid next time. If the nail is bleeding, you can use a product called Quick Stop or any other styptic powder, which you apply directly to the nail to stop the bleeding. Alternatively, cornstarch works if you don't have any on hand. And that's it for nail trimming. I hope this helps. Now go forth with confidence and clip those nails. We believe in you. You've got this. Quarantine high five! Even if it's not fun for you, always try to make nail trimming fun for your dog by offering treats, praise, and dogs also rely on information from nerves in their feet, and they have evolutionary. Dogs also rely on information from nerves in their feet, and they have an evolutionary postural response to the nails that. But as a general rule, you'll want to trim your dog's nails every 2 to 3 weeks, or every week.